Hello, my name is Belén de la Torre. The present product workshop. My person is Margaret Thatcher. She was a British poet who was Prime Minister of the United Kingdom and poet for the longest time during the 20th century and has also been the only woman who was held this position in the country. That year was named and is better known as the Ironman Lady due to her fierce character, the dominance with which she exercised power and drove with a great transformation of her country in politics, economy, and education was carried out. Thank you.